welcome to another room tour. Today we are in Toronto. Specifically, we are staying at the Four Seasons in the Yorkville area. So let's show you around the main room area first. So it is an adjoining room, but it is a massive room. As you come in, on your left hand side, you will find your wardrobe. Inside are complimentary slippers, shoe science service, brushes for combing down your coats, safe, and a number of drawers. There's also a handheld steamer. In addition to this, there is loads of additional cupboard space, complimentary umbrellas for use throughout the city, and even more storage space for hanging all of your clothes, as well as a full height mirror. We have just come back from a trip to the Niagara Falls. We were able to make use of a Canada Goose coat, which is complimentary. You can loan it for your entire stay here in the hotel. There was a security deposit of 750 Canadian dollars each, but that's obviously fully refundable when you return the coats. And it's been -16 today, and the coats definitely came in handy. On each side of the bedside tables, you've got a wireless charger as well as a telephone. There is North America plug sockets, as well as your controls for your lights, both your main ceiling lights and your bedside lights, as well as controls for your lights and blinds. And there's a small reading light that pops out here. Small coffee table, complimentary gift from the hotel when we return to the room this afternoon. We are celebrating our 11th anniversary on this particular trip, so it was compliments of the hotel. There's a large desk stroke vanity area with additional charging capabilities, USB and North America. Large TV. In the bar area, there is a fully stocked mini bar, wines, spirits, soft drinks, as well as this really tidy, nifty, handy coffee station. So your complimentary teas, coffees, creamers are in there, as well as additional bar items. There is an espresso machine, a kettle, cups and saucers for drinking, as well as all the usual paraphernalia. Other side of the bed, there's also lighting controls, blind controls, curtain controls, and a tablet where you can order room service, request additional services for the room or through the hotel, make dining reservations. There's also another remote wireless charger. We're on the 14th floor. Can't really show you much of the view at the moment because it is dark outside, but just to be aware, there is some construction taking place over the road. We've not heard any noise whilst we've been here though. There's also a Bluetooth Bose sound system as well for you connecting your mobile devices to. As we then go into the bathroom, so really large, warm, light bathroom, freestanding circular bath. I think it's the first time I've seen one that particular shape, but there you go. Complimentary bathrobes. There is then your shower, which has got your rainfall shower head, as well as your wand, usual toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all smell really, really good. There's a TV built into the mirror as well, vanity area, all your usual hand washes, moisturiser creams, use of scales, towels. There is down lighting in here as well, so if you are here at if you're using the bathroom at night, you don't want to turn the main lights on, then there's a small night light in there as well. So that's it for the room tour. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're interested in that kind of stuff.